everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to open my Sweet Kawaii subscription. So this is a kit that I get every month from Sweet Kawaii and I love it. And it comes in this really cute bag. So now I get a bag from Ipsy and I get a bag from Sweet Kawaii and I love them both. The Ipsy one is always like a, well, not always, one time it wasn't, but one time in maybe 3 years, I guess, that I've been doing Ipsy, it's not been a hot pink. But most of the time it's a hot pink, and then this one is usually this pale pink. So I love them both, and I keep them so I can mail things myself. And she always gives you a thanks for supporting small business sticker with these little cute critters on it, which of course I love, so I try to keep this as well. And I will cut these guys out and use them in my planner or on gifts or on cards or whatever, envelopes. And then I also try to reuse the paper as well, so I try to reduce, reuse, recycle. But because they're so darn cute, how can you resist? I have a little collection of them over here though. All right, let's see. This one is for August, so I think she's always 2 months ahead. And you get, I think, 10 sheets for one price, and you'll have to check out her store to get the exact number, but I think it's like $13. And it looks like this one might be lemony. Yummy. So cute. Lemony. So there's wacky holidays for August, and there's, I think, a holiday for every day of the week she's found, or every day of the month. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, every day of the week has one. Toasted marshmallow day, underwear day, lazy day, creamsicle day, filet mignon day, cherry popsicle day, just because day, matchmaker day. I mean, it's silly, but they're fun. It's wacky holidays, so it's cute. So there's that. Ooh, and I love the colors. Look at all that citrus. Lime, orange, and lemon, of course. Maybe some mango. I don't know what the peach would be. I don't know if citrus. Grapefruit. How cool is that? I love it. So this is the itty bitty for August. So that's sheet number 2. Here's sheet number 3. And I get the itty bitty one. I get the really small one because I like it. Start fresh every day. Look on the bright side. Here's some cute these things. And then it has, so I mean, there's enough in here for a whole month if you want to use it that way. Weekend stickers, hello August, TV stickers, bills. Don't just be good to others, be good to you. That is a good one. Oh, I like the little lemon banners. Super cute. And then of course the days and the dates. Oh my gosh, I love it. So these are really cute. Now, unfortunately, I went ahead and, oh, I love these too. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I went ahead and at the beginning of the year, I do my whole calendar, like my whole planner for the year of the monthlies. So what I am doing is I am saving these for next year. I know that sounds silly and it probably really is, but, I like it. I do try to use these because these are obviously for this year. I know that it will repeat itself, but it'll take a while to get there. So I go ahead and use this somewhere if I can. And then I am saving these. I was going to try to use them maybe at work or something, but I felt like I was just randomly using them and it wasn't really, I don't feel like I was getting the most bang for my buck by just using a few here and a few there. So what I'm going to do is wait until next year. I'm saving all of them so that then when I'm ready to do my calendar, I can just get it all together with the ones that I have from this year. Now, I didn't start this at the beginning of the year, so I'm going to be a little bit behind, but hopefully with the 2-month thing that she does, I'll catch up. So I'm good with it. I think that it will work out just fine and it'll allow me to plan ahead like I like to do. So that's how I do it. But this is Sweet Kawaii Design. If you just check her out, you can see that she offers a couple of kits, a mystery kit and a monthly kit. I get both of them. This is the monthly kit and I get the itty bitty of this one, and then the other one I get the regular size. But she offers at least 2 sizes and lots of different planner styles and all of that. So check her out. I think you'll like her. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.